Hey, Chris. I wanted to talk about what happened at school. Is that a dead gerbil in there?
That's a fur fish. It's a weird species. You put them in there and they swim like hell for like 30 seconds and then they go to sleep. This joker still hasn't woken up. Get up, lazy!
You know, the way those kids were picking on you today in school, you really have got to stand up for yourself.
Stewie, it's not so easy. What would you say if I said, "Hey there, shorty"?
I'd say have another donut, you albino gorilla.
Oh, yeah? Well, you have a sister as well. Oh, Stewie, I could never come up with stuff like you do.
Of course not. You're sweet and simple. But even you could learn enough to outsmart those cretins at your school, and they'll respect you for it. In fact, I'll teach you how.
Why would you do that for me?
I'm your brother, Chris. We're a team, and we've got to look out for each other. Like Owl and Costello.
I mean the fella's name on first base. Who? The fella playing first base. Who? The guy on first base. Who? I'm asking you who's on first. Who? That's what I'm asking you.
Nothing will ever be funnier than misunderstandings.